few months ago, an ordinary guy named Aaron looked at his bank account and felt disappointed. No luxury car, no fancy watch, no Instagram lifestyle. He thought he was falling behind. But when he met a financial planner, the planner smiled and said something Aaron never expected. "You're quietly wealthier than 80% of people your age." Aaron was shocked, but what shocked him even more was how many people have no idea they're quietly building real wealth, simply because their life doesn't look expensive. Let me ask you something personal. What if you've quietly been doing the right things all along? What if your low-key habits are building you a richer future than you can currently see? And what if the quiet signs of wealth are already in your life? You're just ignoring them because they don't scream attention. Here's the real twist. The things society sees as boring, slow, or uneventful are often the exact signals that your stock portfolio, index fund positions, and financial freedom foundation are rising behind the scenes. And that's exactly what this video will reveal. I'm going to help you identify the silent signals that wealthy people experience long before the world recognizes their success. Signals that don't show up on Instagram, but show up in bank accounts, investment accounts, net worth statements, and long-term financial independence. If you're ready to break through barriers and achieve greatness, hit that subscribe button. We're here to support your journey to success. Let's get started. Number 1. You think in terms of value, not price. Most people look at price tags. Quiet wealth builders look at value. You notice this shift when you no longer feel the impulse to buy something just because it's discounted or marketed as a good deal. You're evaluating decisions through opportunity cost, long-term return, and cash flow impact. This is the same mindset hedge funds use before allocating capital. Analysis over emotion. You're doing it naturally, without realizing that you're stepping into the world of intelligent wealth creation. You start calculating what your money could become if invested in index funds, dividend ETFs, or compounding equity positions instead of being spent on temporary comfort. You've stopped asking, "How much does this cost today?" and started asking, "What is this worth over time, and what does it cost my future net worth?" That single mental flip is the foundation of financial freedom. You realize your spending patterns reveal your investment mindset. The moment price stops being the primary factor, wealth starts accumulating silently. You're no longer tempted by lifestyle inflation. You feel more satisfaction buying stocks, bonds, REITs, or ETFs than buying luxury items. Number 2. You prioritize cash flow over ownership status. You know wealth is building when you stop feeling excited about owning liabilities and start feeling excited about earning predictable, recurring income. You care more about how something pays you every month rather than how impressive it looks on social media. This is a shift from consumer mindset to investor mindset. You move from "how can I buy this" to "how can this buy something for me?" You begin to see money differently. Money isn't something you spend, it's something you deploy. Money becomes a worker, not a reward. You're no longer chasing things that lose value. You're building systems that grow value quietly, predictably, and automatically. This is a core trait of people who eventually reach financial freedom without making noise. You start protecting your cash flow. You avoid unnecessary debts, subscriptions, or expenses that drain monthly resources. You're becoming someone whose wealth grows invisibly in the background, powered by consistent inflows instead of impulsive outflows. That quiet cash flow mindset is one of the most reliable indicators you're building real wealth. Number 3. You no longer get emotional about market volatility. You know you're quietly building real wealth when stock market volatility no longer scares you. Most people panic when they see red on their screen. You stay calm. You understand the difference between temporary price fluctuations and long-term equity growth. You've developed emotional tolerance, one of the rarest investing skills. You don't check your stock portfolio 5 times a day. You're not obsessed with daily market noise or short-term dips. You understand how bear markets create opportunities and how downturns accelerate long-term compounding. You've stopped treating the market like a casino and started treating it like a long-term wealth engine. You're no longer driven by fear or excitement. You're driven by strategy. Once you realize volatility is normal and often beneficial, You begin operating like someone with generational wealth habits. You're no longer emotional about money. You're strategic. This emotional maturity is something wealthy people develop early. You're developing it now, quietly, consistently, without seeking validation. Number 4. You're becoming impossible to impress financially. A quiet sign of real wealth building is when material things no longer influence your emotions. You're not impressed by someone's luxury car, expensive phone, or designer outfit. You see consumption for what it is, a temporary dopamine boost with no long-term payoff. You no longer equate luxury with success. You equate discipline with success. You no longer feel envy. You feel clarity. You understand that social comparison destroys net worth. You realize the real luxury is financial stability, not stressing about bills, having consistent passive income, and watching your capital appreciate quietly. When you reach this stage, you're already ahead of the majority. You're building real wealth while others chase illusions. You're developing a mindset that compounds more powerfully than money itself. Becoming difficult to impress is not arrogance, it's financial maturity. Number 5. You're more excited about saving and investing than spending. You know you're on the wealth-building path when investing gives you a bigger dopamine hit than shopping. You enjoy watching your stock portfolio grow more than buying new clothes. You prefer adding money to your index funds over splurging on impulse purchases. You feel satisfaction watching your net worth increase quietly in the background. You genuinely enjoy tracking your investments, dividend income, bond interest, ETF growth, rental property cash flow, or appreciation of your long-term positions. You're building a habit that wealthy people rely on, the habit of rewarding yourself with future stability instead of immediate gratification. You've developed a long-term mindset. You look forward to market dips because they allow you to buy more shares at a discount. You celebrate adding to your portfolio more than you celebrate buying something new. You've shifted from consumer to investor without even noticing. Someone who invests more than they spend and plans more than they react. You're creating a future where money serves you, not the other way around. Number 6. Protect your time like wealthy people do. When you start building real wealth, you naturally begin valuing your time differently. You become selective with commitments, conversations, and social interactions. Time becomes your most valuable asset because you understand that productivity, creativity, and mental clarity directly influence your financial growth. You no longer waste hours scrolling mindlessly or watching pointless content. You invest time into learning stock market analysis, personal finance strategies, tax-efficient investing, portfolio diversification, business skills, or passive income frameworks. You're building intellectual capital, the kind of capital that compounds faster than money. You notice that you prefer calm environments where you can think. You value routine. You enjoy structure. These are traits of high net worth individuals who understand that consistency builds fortune. You protect your energy because you know that mental clarity improves decision making. Number 7. You avoid debt automatically. One quiet sign of wealth building is your instinctive avoidance of unnecessary debt. You no longer feel the urge to finance things that don't produce income. You avoid high-interest loans, credit card balances, and impulse EMIs. You recognize that debt is the enemy of compounding. You want your money growing, not leaking. You think twice before taking on any financial obligation. You ask yourself whether the debt increases your future cash flow or drains it. If it doesn't strengthen your portfolio or generate returns, you avoid it. You've developed a habit wealthy people rely on, using debt strategically, not emotionally. People who eventually become financially independent begin avoiding debt long before they become wealthy. You're following the same quiet path. Number 8. You accumulate peace of mind, not anxiety. A quiet but powerful sign you're building real wealth is the increasing sense of financial calm you feel. You don't panic about unexpected expenses. You don't worry about every minor financial change. You've built an emergency fund. You have savings, investments, and plans in place that make your life more stable. Your financial stress decreases because you understand your money better. You know where it goes, how it grows, and how it protects you. You've reduced emotional spending, increased your investment rate, and built habits that stabilize your financial life. This calmness shows you're building a stable foundation. Wealth isn't only measured in dollars, it's measured in how much mental space you free up. The less time you spend worrying about money, the wealthier you truly are. I believe that together, we can build a better, wealthier future. If this inspires you, like it, share with your closed ones so they can benefit from it too, and subscribe to continue this journey with me. Now, if you want to know how rich people build wealth without looking rich, then watch this video. I'll see you there.